In this video, we are going to learn about C++ list container. Now before that, I would like to show you what are the limitations of vector. Let's say that you have created a vector which contains 10,000 elements. Now, what would happen if you want to insert one more element? Like you are creating a software, you are using the C++ vector. Now, suddenly you thought that after execution, you need to insert one more element, just only one more element. On that case, if you insert one more element, the vector will grow its size twice. After inserting one more element, the capacity would be 20,000. Now, as we have inserted only one more element, the remaining portion, almost half of the array, is actually unused. So it's actually a hell lot of waste of memory. So how we can overcome this problem? The answer is C++ list. C++ list is not a random access data structure. It's a linked list data structure. So data is stored in this fashion. I can consider this block as a node. Each node contains a value as well as a pointer. Pointer is nothing but the pointer or the address of the next node, because in linked list everything is scattered in the memory, not like vector. Like it's a contiguous vector is actually stored in contiguous fashion, but not linked list. So you can see that this is pointing to null because it has no more values, so it's actually linked list. So now let's try to see how we can use the C++ list container. So I'm gonna get rid of this stuff right here. Now in order to use the list, we can write this list template class, and I need to give the data type here and the list name. Alright, now if you want to insert some element in the list, I can similarly use this pushback method to insert something at the end of the list. Okay, so let's copy this couple of times. I should change it. Let's insert one more values in this list. Alright, now in order to traverse this list, we cannot just do like vectors. We cannot just write like L1 or 2, because this is not a random access data structure. In order to traverse the entire linked list, we need to we need to start from the first element. So to do that, I can simply use a range based for loop. First I can give the data type and then L, and now I can print the value of I. Let's try to execute this code. Yeah, you can see everything is printed. Now instead of doing this, we could also have been used the iterator. As I have not discussed about iterator, so I'm not going to discuss it right here. Alright, so in my next video I'm going to show you some. Okay, now before that, let's try to see what are the other methods available. I can use also the push front method to insert something at the beginning of this linked list. Let's try to run this code. Yeah, working. Now one thing should be noted, that this push front method is not in the vector class, so you cannot use this push front method in the case of vector. Alright, so in my next video I'm gonna discuss about some of the more methods of linked list. Thanks for watching.